Next program, square of a given number. Square of a given number. Write an assembly language program to find the square of an 8-bit binary number. The binary number is stored in the memory location 8200 and store the result square in 8201 address. Okay, here 8200, the given number 04. Okay, this is for data. Now the 04 data, we have to find out the square. 04 square. 04 means 04 square, we can write 04 into 04. The same data we can multiply. 4 square means 4 into 4. Here the multiplication. Multiplication means we have to use a repeated addition concept. Okay, 4 into 4 equal to 16 in decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 10 inch. Okay, logic for square of a given number. The given number we can move the two different registers to the same data. We can move the two different register. First, initially to clear the accumulator content 00. Why means square of it given number means the same number we can multiply for that. Here the multiplication means we can use the repeated addition. This is for one register. Suppose B register and this is for C register. The same data we can move the two different registers. Okay, 04 in B register, 0C in 04 in C register. First, now to multiply these two for that, to clear the A register initially, to fix any one register for counter and next register data add with the accumulator like ordinary multiplication concept till the counter register 0. Till the counter register 0. Here the B register 04 and C register also 04. The same data we can move the two different registers and to clear initially accumulated content 00. Now to fix C register for counter. Now to fix the C register for counter, we can add with the A and B. We can add A plus B. This is for 00 plus 04. Now result in accumulator 04. Now to decrement the C register content single time. Now C equal to 03. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0 means again add accumulator with the B register. Now accumulator 04 and B register 04. Now add these two 08 in accumulator. Now decrement C register single time. Now C equal to 02. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again add accumulator with the B register. Now accumulator 08 and B register 04. Now add these two 12 in decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 0C in A register. Next decrement C register Now C equal to 1. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again repeat the same concept. Add A plus B. A value 0C and B value 04. Now 0C means 12. 12 plus 4 16. 16 what is the corresponding XR value? 10 in accumulator. And decrement C. C equal to 0 0. When C equal to 0 0, you just store the whatever result in accumulator. Now this result, to store this address location 8201 10, this is the square of given number. Square of a given number. Okay, this is the logic. First, to load the data, the same data to move to different registers, and first to clear the accumulator content, initially 0 0. Now square means the same data we can multiply. This is for repeated addition concept. Here the 5 means 5 into 5. Okay, for that to fix any one register data for counter, the next register data add with the accumulator that till the counter value 0. When the counter value is 0, the result, the final result available in accumulator. Now the accumulator result to store 8201 address locations. This is the concept of to find the square of a given number. Okay. First, load 04 data in 8200 memory address location. First, we have to initialize the memory address LXI H, 8200 H. This is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory. Memory in HL register plan. Now data to move to different register. Before that, to clear the accumulator content. For that, we can use X or A. This is for exclusive or accumulator with the accumulator. Now the accumulator content will be 0. We can use XRA or R. We can use MVI A, 00 H. This is also to clear the accumulator content. But this one requires 2 byte memory address. But this one it requires only 1 byte. So always to use the single byte. Next, data 820004 to move to different register. The memory data to move first B register M to B. Now B equal to 04 and A equal to 00. The same data we can move another register also. Now C comma M and C also 04. Now to fix any one register for counter, to fix C register for counter and add accumulator with the B register. Now add A, D, D, add B, okay. Now add these two. Now 0, 0 plus 04 equal to 04 in accumulator. This is for A register and this is for B register. And result 04 in accumulator. Now decrement the C. Now C equal to 03. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. For that decrement C register and to check whether it is 0 or not. Now jump on no 0. No 0 means jump to again add accumulator with B register. Now accumulator 04 add with the B register 04. Both are 0, 8 in accumulator. Now to decrement C. C equal to 0, 2. Now we check 0 or not. No 0. Again jump here and accumulated with the B. Accumulated 0, 8 and this is for 0, 4. Now result 0, C. Now to decrement C. 0, 1. Now to check 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to here and accumulated with the B register. Accumulated 0, C and B register 0, 4. Now add these two 1, 0. 1, 0. Again decrement C. C equal to 0, 0. 0, 0 means now this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means, okay, to store the accumulated result. Now accumulated result STA8201H and alter the program. This is the program for to find the given number of square. To find the square of a given number. Suppose the given number 5. Given number 5. 5 square means 5 into 5. The same data we can move B register and C register and initially accumulator will be 0, 0. To fix any one register for counter and add with the second data accumulated till the counter value is 0. Now it will repeat the process until the counter value is 0. Now the final result 25 decimal. 25 decimal. Okay, and corresponding binary value 25 divided by 16 1 times and remainder 9. Okay. Now result 19 in hexadecimal. Suppose the given value 0A. 0A means 10. 10 square equal to 0A into 0A. 10 into 10, 100. Okay, 100. The corresponding hexadecimal value 64 H. How to find out 100 the corresponding hexa value? 100 decimal. Now to find out the corresponding hexadecimal, you have to divide 16. 6 times and the remainder 4. We can write 64H. Okay. This is a logic for to write the program for square of a given number. Okay. Thank you.